Hi, this is Grish from Packaging South Asia. I am here in Pack Plus Pragati Maidan, New Delhi, and I am with Ekta P. Matre, the manager of the Technova. Ma'am, can you please share the experience of this expo?
Like today is the first day, so we have just started. Uh, the I think the good thing about since today what I've experienced is there is not like I think heavy footfall, but there are serious customers that we have been interacting with. Means if I have come for a folding carton customer or a converter in folding carton, or rather in case of labels also. So I observed that there are serious buyers. Like there we have faced long discussion, like half an hour discussion also. So that's a good thing about the show since morning, I think.
Okay, so we are with the Technova. Can you please give a brief introduction about it?
Technova Imaging Systems. This year only we completed 50 years in graphic industry, and we really are very proud that we are like thriving in this industry since 50 years. Technova Imaging Systems is basically a manufacturing company. Our main, I would say, the bread and butter, जिसको बोलेंगे, those products are like digital plates, chemicals, and then after that there are different extensions of businesses like this machine also, equipments, flexo plates are there, then we have blankets, we have adhesives, we have softwares, we have OPVs. So we have got extended lines of business in different different zones in this industry, be it printing or packaging. So that is how we are present everywhere.
Okay, so what are you displaying here? What specific things, what specific machines you are displaying?
We are displaying here in like the entire ecosystem that we have in our in Technova language we call it as Technova packaging ecosystems. So right from the press, digital press, to digital print finishing device which is displayed here. So we have got the entire range of products which completes that entire loop of packaging. So we are promoting and displaying the entire the loop that we have in packaging ecosystem. For as a physical presence, we have got this this digital cutting table which is from Jingwei, and we are the sole sales and marketing partner in India for Jingwei. Other than that, we have various products for packaging industry like OPVs, adhesives that I have already mentioned.
So, you want to ask questions, Pallavi?
I'm Pallavi from Packaging South Asia. So, ma'am, just want to know, like today is the first day of Pack Plus, and the Pack Plus Delhi is happening after 2 years. So, in this gap, what innovation or you have done, like what we can know about the Technova has done something in the industry?
In Technova, last 2 years, after 2 years, I think it was a long gap to participate in exhibition, and I think after 2 years, or rather after Unlock, this is the first mega, event that we are participating in. And during pandemic only, we have observed that the area of printing or packaging which is growing in like double digit is labels and packaging basically. So that's how we decided to participate in this show, and I think it is going good till now. About the innovations from Technova side, we have always been supporting green initiative, green technologies. So in that green zone only we are developing ourselves, and we are coming up with new products, and we are also thinking that how we can create more sustainable applications for future. Like now it's all about the sustainability, sustainable packaging. In our show also we have tried our best to display the products and the medias which are rather sustainable. So that's how we are taking footsteps for green. We are trying to become more greener.
Yes, today also there is some hot potato issues going about the sustainability. Today we also see in the conference hall they were all talking about the sustainability. So that's good. Like we are seeing.
In Drupa also, it was a big, hype about sustainability and Industry 4.0. So I think that's the way to go, and that's the way to future.
Any message you want to give to the packaging industry? Any kind
I
of
think
like,
for packaging industry, I think in packaging, right from the smallest, any small manufacturer till the big companies like I would say Technova, I think everyone should work and develop the applications which will definitely replace their existing application but will survive in future. Like again, I mean the sustainable applications, I would say. So every company should focus on that part. I think every company should have that particular panel or few people who are working on that particular area of sustainable. In case of packaging, if we are talking, it is sustainable packaging applications, so that we exist and thrive in future also.
Any expansion plan?
Currently, sir, there is a big news which is coming up. So I think that will be a very good, that will be, I think, the expansion which is coming up. And also in case of our regular products also in current portfolio also, we are trying to tie up with many companies for digital post press, and also there are things going on in case of digital press side as well. Currently we are working with like Konica Minolta, Duplo, Jingwei devices to cover the entire digital graphic, and in conventional offset and packaging setup we already there since 50 years. So I think there is a good time to go ahead.
Okay, so this is Girish and Pallavi from Packaging South Asia with Ekta Matre, the manager of the Technova.